Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a bright sunny day, the best day to do your laundry, and be rest assured that the sun is going to help you dry it so quickly. So this is me doing my laundry. After that, we went for a walk. I took my baby for a walk. I found out that each time we go for a walk and come back, my baby falls asleep. I don't know how she got so tired that she just fall asleep each time we come back home from strolling. I don't know how that happens because she's not the one pushing the stroller and the one doing the walking. Why she's enjoying being pushed. So I don't see the reason why she gets so tired after each walk. Anyways, that's to my own advantage. So this is how my neighborhood looks like. It's a very quiet place. You can see the river, you can see the farms. I have a lot of grape farms around me. Like, it's a very cool city, very cool environment. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.